Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about radius of gyration. This is the concept in moment of inertia. So what is radius of gyration? So for that consider one arbitrary area A, and divide this area into number of areas. Take this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. Now take one reference axis, vertical reference axis, that is y. Now distance of this area A1 from reference axis is x1. Distance of this area A2 from reference axis is x2. And distance of this area A3 from reference axis is x3. Now the moment of inertia about y-axis, the total moment of inertia about y-axis, we know Iyy is equal to total moment of inertia. Iyy is equal to summation of all moment of inertia. So a1x1 square plus a2x2 square plus a3x3 square plus n, if the n number of areas, then an xn square. So this is the total moment of inertia of this area about y-axis. Now let us convert this area into narrow vertical strip. Convert this area into one narrow vertical strip. So having same area A. Now take same reference axis, that is y. Now this is the distance between strip and reference axis, say k. So k is the distance between this narrow strip from reference axis y, that is k. Now what is there? We converted this area into narrow strip. So x1 is k, x2 is also k, and x3 is also k. So what is there? You can take this Iyy is equal to, so x1 is equal to, x2 is equal to, xn is equal to k. Now therefore Iyy is equal to, put the value of x1 as k, so k square, plus a2 k square, plus a3 k square, plus an k square. So here k is common, so k square is common, so a1 plus a2 plus an, that is Iyy. Now this is the total area of the section. This is the total area of the section, that is A. So Iyy is equal to k square into A. So we have to find this k. So this k square is equal to Iyy divided by A. So therefore k is equal to root Iyy divided by A. So if this is the moment of inertia about y-axis, take this as a k, yy. So therefore kyy is the root Iyy divided by A. And the unit is, this is distance, so unit is mm. Similarly kxx is equal to Ixx divided by area of the section. This is also kxx in mm. So this, what is this k? What is this k? So this is the distance from the axis, at which the entire area is concentrated without changing the moment of inertia of the given axis. So what is k? K is the distance from the axis at which entire area is concentrated without changing the moment of inertia about the given axis. So if you take k, there is no change in moment of inertia. So that concept is called as radius of gyration. So that k is called as radius of gyration. So what is radius of gyration? The distance from the axis, at which the entire area is assumed to be concentrated without changing moment of inertia about the given axis. So if you calculate moment of inertia by using this method, that is by using this formula, you will get one value, and calculate moment of inertia by using this equation, by using this method, that is a into k square. So you will get same value as that as calculated from this equation. So this is the concept of radius of gyration. So thank you very much.